Whoa! What happened to the map? Like, actually, what happened? Oh my gosh! What happened to the map? Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nuggies. Welcome back to another video. They just updated the... I'm probably pretty late on this, but they updated the Penguin Paradise map, and this is so insane. I haven't made a Penguin Paradise video on the channel before, but I play it a lot, and yeah, this is just insane. What is that?
Bro, come over here. Check out my new suit. It's a brand new
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5. Boom. Bam. Oh, bop. Bada bop, boom. Pow.
Okay, now. 1, 2.
Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
That's honestly so fire. W. This is the biggest W of this game. The biggest, fattest W. Like, honestly. And then they. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna wanna look at all this stuff. Look at. Whoa! Here's freeze tag and sled racing. But what about fish? Fish. This fish. What is that sound? What is that present sound? Wait, but what about these things? Does that mean we're gonna get new maps soon? Because if these take up these maps, does that mean we're getting new maps? That's so insane. And then, is this Battle Royale? Oh yeah, okay, now where is Open World? There. Oh, here's Snow Mountain and Open World. Wait, what? So it's not even a slide anymore, it's just like a portal? Honestly, that's kind of worse. Where is this? Is this a new map? Imagine if it's a new... That's disappointing. That's disappointing. Sad penguin moment. Sad penguin moment. Sad penguin moment right there. Honestly, El Bozo. Let's Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I know this is like the shortest video in all of history, but I am starting to post more often now. I know I didn't post for like a month or two, but I am back in business, baby. We are back. So, yeah, thank you to all the people that have viewed my videos so far, like 15, 20 views last time I checked. I'll check now, and yeah, I'm gonna go edit this video. Thank you guys for watching so much, and goodbye.